it's your best friend Fran, and today I just ordered, well, a couple of weeks ago, I ordered a slime and squishy package. So it just came in the mail right now, and yeah. Okay guys, just to let you know, this video is fake. This is not a real squishy package or slime package. This is just fake. I'm really excited to open this package. I really hope it's good, not fake, like the package my sister got in the last video. Okay, so this is the box. It's good, I don't know. And you open it like that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna slide it open, and I'm just gonna reach my hand. It's a slime package, so it's gonna be a little hard to this one. Okay, this is like a slime, so I'm just gonna crush. Okay, sorry guys, the lid popped off. Okay, so this is the slime. It looks like there's no lid, but maybe it just fell off in the pack. And yeah, let's just get into it. I ordered a yellow slime, a yellow slime with white foam balls, and a purple slime with rainbow foam balls. And the purple slime with rainbow foam balls is supposed to be in the bigger container. So this is the first slime. It looks like it's really dried up on the top. But maybe like it was like a far travel, so maybe like the lid fell off a long time ago when it was in package. So it's really dried out on the top. I think this was my the yellow slime with white foam balls, and this is a pink slime with rainbow foam balls. So let's just hope the bottom is not dried up. Okay, good, it's not. So I'm just gonna rip it off of the dried out part. Rip the good part off of the dried out part so I can still play with the slime. I'm trying to get the foam balls to stay in it and not get them everywhere. Okay, there we go. I wish you guys can see what I'm doing, but all the foam balls went everywhere. So this is the slime. It's pink and it has yellow and pink glitters. I feel a lot of hairs in this slime. It looks like there's clay in it, I think. And then this whole, basically most of the slime is dried up. But that looks really cool. I'm just trying to get all the foam balls out of it, because I really like slime that has foam balls in it. Okay, there we go. Got more foam balls into it. Okay, so this slime is not the right color and not the right foam balls. Yeah, and it's not stretchy at all. Probably because it dried out. It sucks. So yeah. Maybe this was just like a messed up one. Maybe the other one's better. So I'm just going to put this back. Basically use the dried out part as a lid. And move to the next slime. Just slide this door open and grab. This is a slime and squishy package. So I should get a squishy soon. So this is the next slime. This slime should be purple with rainbow beads. Let's look at it. Here it is. It's black, and it looks like it has white foam balls in it. And it's also dried out. But it looks like it has these sequins in it, which I didn't want. But whatever. So let's just rip it out the container. Not a lot of this is, it smells really bad. Not a lot of this is savable. More sequins I don't want. Foam balls are going everywhere. So, all of the slime basically dried out. Good thing dried out slime is a good ASMR, because I have a lot of dried out slime now from this package. There's a lot of these sequins in it, which I don't want. Okay, so I'm just gonna, ow. It has the spiky stars, and they are very, very pointy, and this slime has a lot of them in it. And it's really, really, really not stretchy at all. There's some more sequins there. Ow. Ow. Yeah, this is not the slime that I wanted. So yeah, just gonna put it in the bottom and use this dried up part as a lid. So 2 bed times, not the right color, not the right foam base, and yeah. I see a squishy, which is good because this was a slime and squishy package. There should be 2 slimes, 2 squishies, and some extras. So this is the squishy. I didn't say which kind of squishy I wanted. I just didn't want a really small squishy or like a really big squishy. So this looks like it's one of the Rainbow Cat squishies. It's pretty slow rising. It has a lot of defects though. It's really ripped in the head. The ear's basically gonna fall off, and then at the bottom it's all scratchy. This set it is scented. Oh, whoops. Pretty scented, I guess. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Now for the extras. It looks like there's 2 extras, and I don't see another squishy. Maybe she just forgot to pack the other squishy, but that's fine. Let's just look at it. Here it looks like it's the first extra. It's like a little bag, and it has a zipper on it, so I'm gonna open it. Maybe the squishy's in here. It's a bunch of little hair ties. And the bag smells like really old. I don't know, just really something really old. Okay, there's one more thing in the package, and it's not a squishy. So I only got 1 squishy, 2 dried up slimes, and 2 extras. This is a notepad. Let's hope it wasn't wrote in. Okay, it doesn't look like it was wrote in, but it has some smudges on it. And it also says that it was $1 at the Dollar Tree. It says it has 100 pages though, which is pretty good for a notebook that's this big. So yeah, overall this package, oh wait, there's a bobby pin in it that has a lot of hair that fell out in the package. That's very disgusting. So I just got scammed, and yeah. One of these slimes, this slime was $10. This slime was $10. That's $20 already. She made me pay for the extras. She made me pay $5 for the extras. So it's $15. And then for the, I paid for 2 squishies, got 1. So each squishy was $10. So that's 20 plus 20 plus 5, 25. No, it's actually 30. Because each squishy was 5. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. So bye guys. Hope you guys like this video.